Meta just released a new update, version 2.5. Let's check it out. And now you're probably wondering, wow, what kind of updates did I miss? Welcome to a new useless update. Oops, it looks like I say it out loud. Well, let's check it out. So I discovered that after I turned on my headset today, I had this different background. So let's close everything here so you can see better. Here it is. If you remember, in the previous versions, we had something else. We had the Meta Horizon. So here in front of you, there was, there were many floating platforms with a lot of people going around. And now, where are the people? They're all gone. Like, seriously. I mean, yeah. I'm in the middle of nowhere. It's just me. There are there is a waterfall out there. So they're all gone. I realize that I'm not being very serious today, but you know, let's take it with a laugh. Sometimes it helps. So if you go to settings here, you will see that there is a pending update. I already have it. It's version 2.5. And let's see the release notes. So what I show you now in the background is this, a simpler VR home experience, which is marketing for we got rid of everybody. I mean, it's a nice background, but yeah, so this is one update, which is a very minor one. VR Home now features a new default scenery, valley, a landscape with rocky mountains and waterfall. Okay. And the second one, because there are only two, nothing else. View photos and videos in 3D. Now here, each time, I don't know why this happens, but each time I read the description of the latest release notes, it wasn't always like this. Only lately, there are like only two things, which are mostly minor. And in most cases, one of them doesn't work. Now here, if you read carefully here, it basically says, you open the gallery, which is here. Here I have many photos and screenshots, blah, blah, blah. Most of them are Gaussian splatting. Maybe this, but I don't see 3D here. Let's try to hold nothing. Then we go on the browser and we say, okay, virtual reality, let's pick up an image from there. Maybe this. Okay, view in 3D. Now we got it. View in 3D. Basically, it seems that the hand is coming out of the image. So you can see some depth, which in this case is quite interesting because the hologram interface should be close to me, but it's not. Part of it is in his t-shirt, part of it is behind the guy. But yeah, I would say it's cool. So of course it cannot work with every image, but it's kind of cool. Now let's try another one. So you have to press and hold and then select view in 3D. Okay, this is cool. By the way, this is not a new feature. It was already available since a few versions, but it was mainly limited to Instagram. So if you have it linked to Instagram, you could see this kind of images in 3D. So yeah, that's the second news. So yeah, let me know what you think. I have to say, at least the 3D view is cool. And we already finished the video because there are no new updates. See ya.